Creating ads the traditional way is outdated. Look at this UGC-style video ad I just made using Higgsfield AI.
A fun Yum Fruit skincare kit. Hydrating serums, eye cream, and moisturizer in travel sizes for glowing, nourished skin. Perfect for daily radiance.
It took only 3 clicks and about 2 minutes to generate. No expensive shoots, no long editing hours, just fast results. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create high-converting video ads using Higgsfield AI. And stick till the end, because I'll also show you how to fix the biggest mistakes most people make with AI ad generators. We'll get rid of weird movement, ads being cut short, and so much more. So let's get started. To create a UGC-style video advertisement using Higgsfield, all you need to do is sign up with my link in the description and then click on video. Then all you need to have is a link to your product page, out of which you want to create this ad. So just an example. Here is Fruit Skincare. Beauty gifts on Amazon. So all I do is I will just copy-paste the URL of this page directly here, and I will click on Continue. And notice how easy this all is. So they are finding the website. They will take the product images from the website. They will find the brand colors. They will find the logo. And then they'll process the details and finalize the product kit. And it takes about 30 seconds for them to fetch all the details from the product website. So here we have the product photos, and here we also have a short description of the product, and we even have the logo and all the colors. And if everything looks fine, just click on Continue. And then here is where you can choose what kind of a UGC-style advertisement you want to create. So just an example, let's create a simple unboxing video. So let's click on Generate. And here's the result that I got.
A fun Yum Fruit skincare kit. Hydrating serums, eye cream, and moisturizer in travel sizes for glowing, nourished skin. Perfect for daily radiance.
All these products look exactly like they look here in the website. So considering all I had to do was just copy-paste a link directly to this page, the fact that I got a result like this in just 4 minutes is absolutely insane. Let's create a customer review style UGC video. Follow the exact same method. Copy-paste link in Higgsfield. Select Customer Review Style, click Generate. Here are results.
Love how it firms my skin and smooths fine lines.
Hydrates all day without scent, lightweight and fast absorbing.
My skin feels plumper from hyaluronic acid.
Visible improvement in firmness, great anti-aging value.
Like, the only problem I have here is that this is only 12 seconds in duration. And if you actually go and pay really close attention to this, it is saying something, and that is cut short.
Great anti-aging value.
Because the video is only 12 seconds.
Love how this cream firms my skin fast.
No scent, and it hydrates all day.
Fine lines look smoother after weeks.
Light texture, sinks in, gives glow.
Before I move on to other products with which you can create these UGC-style ads, and how to do that, let's actually create one more using this skincare product we just did. And now, instead of doing the customer review style video, let's actually do Simple UGC, 3 SOWs. So not all of our videos should be reviews, right? So we want to try something else as well, and we still want it to look like a genuine recommendation from an authentic and honest user. So let's click on Generate Video to see what happens this time. But now, here's what other tutorials won't mention. And it is the fact that it rarely nails these ads with just one attempt. For example, let me show you the first result that I got.
I've been using Olay Regenerist, this fragrance-free cream that's packed with peptides and hyaluronic acid. It firms and hydrates, and my skin already feels so much smoother.
As you can see, this video is totally unusable despite the good start. It looks like a UGC-style advertisement at first, and it starts very well. But as soon as she starts to apply the cream on her face, it is totally messed up. And then also towards the end, the product changes to something completely different than what I'm advertising here. Now, I'm not going to lie. It feels like all these AI UGC ad videos out there are about skincare products, but that is just a tiny section of what you might actually be selling. So let us try out something different with different types of products. So here I have this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. I'm going to link this page over here and click on Continue. Now it got the product photos and the information. So let's hit continue and let's create Simple UGC again. Let's hit generate. Now here is the result.
Compact gimbal captures smooth 4K 120 frame vlogs with fast autofocus and rock steady stabilization. I love it.
This is the reality of AI UGC right now. It's powerful, but it's not perfect. But that's exactly where the opportunity is. Most people will try it once, get average results, and quit. The ones who actually win are the ones who experiment, refine, and stay consistent. If you learn how to use it properly, you can create content faster, test more ideas, and scale what works. If you want to get ahead in AI content and start creating ads that actually convert, follow me for more. And if you're serious about making money with AI, start now because this space is only getting more competitive.